Namaste. I, Nishtha, Social Awareness Captain of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 5th February 2022. Firstly, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher, Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam, to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078 शक संवत 1943 आज माघ माह के शुक्ल पक्ष की पंचमी तिथि है, जिसे हम बसंत पंचमी अथवा श्री पंचमी के नाम से जानते हैं। आज का नक्षत्र उत्तरा भाद्रपद, आज का योग सिद्ध है। प्रविष्टि की यदि बात करें तो आज माघ माह के 23 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह रजब की आज 3 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to start the prayer. So I request you all to close your eyes and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
All classes be ready for prayer.
शारदे मां अज्ञानता से हमें तारदे मां। हे शारदे मां अज्ञानता से हमें तारदे मां। तू स्वर की देवी, संगीत तुझसे हर शब्द
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ Be ready for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
Now, it's time to chant shlokas from Srimad Bhagwat Geeta, which you can see on your screen. So I request you all to listen carefully and speak together with our Sanskrit teacher.
धर्म क्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे संवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकः पाण्डवाश्चैव किम् अकुर्वत सञ्जय कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा करं फलहेतुर्भूर्मा ते सङ्गोत्स्वकर्मणि कर्मण्येव हि संसिद्धि मा स्थिता जनकादयः लोकसङ्ग्रहमेवापि सम्पश्यन् कर्तुमर्हसि एवं ज्ञात्वा कृतं कर्म पूर्वैरपि मुमुक्षुभिः कुरु कर्मैव तस्मात् त्वं पूर्वै पूर्वतरं कृतं ब्रह्मण्याधाय कर्माणि सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा करोति यः लिप्यते न स पापेन पद्मपत्रमिवाम्भसा आत्मोपम्येन सर्वत्र समं पश्यति योऽर्जुन सुखं वा यदि वा दुःखं स योगी परमो मतः.
Now, I would like to invite Tanisha of Plus One Commerce to tell us about famous Indian mathematician Phoolan Prasad. Namaste, Tanisha.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Tanisha, student of St. Vivekanand Millennium School of Class Plus One Commerce. Today I am here to share the life and achievements of famous mathematician Phoolan Prasad. He was born on 1st Jan 1944 at Bhalia, Uttar Pradesh. He studied in Nalhati HP High School, Krishnanath College, Brahmpur, received his BSc from the Presidency College, Calcutta University, and MSc from Raja Bazar Science College campus of Calcutta University, followed by a PhD from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore in 1968. He started his career as a lecturer in the Department of Applied Mathematics in 1967 at Indian Institute of Science. Thereafter, he became a professor in 1977. He is specialized in partial differential equations, fluid mechanics. He has done some significant work in the area on nonlinear hyperbolic equations. He succeeded in assessing the basic properties of the equations of various physical phenomena, generalized these mathematical properties, and then used his theory to explain new results in the field of nonlinear waves. He was awarded in 1983 the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize for Science and Technology, the highest science award in India in the mathematical sciences category. He is fellow of all Indian Science Academics, the National Academy of Sciences, India, Indian Academy of Sciences, and Indian National Science Academy. He continues to be a faculty member at the Department of Mathematics, Indian Institute of Science. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Tanisha. Today is Basant Panchami. Now, I would like to invite Lavanya of class 8B to tell us more about it. Namaste, Lavanya.
Namaste, I am Lavanya of class 8B. I am going to share important information about Basant Panchami. Basant Panchami, also called Saraswati Puja in honor of the goddess Saraswati, is a festival that marks the preparation for the arrival of spring. The festival is celebrated by people in the Indian subcontinent in various ways, depending on the region. Basant Panchami also marks the start of preparation for Holika and Holi, which take place 40 days later. The Basant Utsav on Panchami is celebrated 40 days before spring because any season's transition period is 40 days, and after that the season comes into full bloom. You can notice all the devotees wearing yellow color attire while performing the rituals and celebrations. There are various reasons behind people using yellow color on the day. The main reason for being yellow, the dominant color of Basant Panchami, is said to be that the occasion is being celebrated at the time when bright yellow flowers of the ripe mustard plant can be spotted in the fields of rural India. Also, several flowers of this season are yellow, including marigold, daffodils, etc., which are being offered to the goddess of knowledge. I hope you find this information knowledgeable. Thank you and happy Basant Panchami to all.
Thank you, Lavanya. Now, I would like to invite Shweta of class 7B to share a motivational thought of Swami Vivekanand. Namaste, Shweta.
Namaste, I am Shweta of class 7B. Today I am going to share a motivational thought of Swami Vivekanand. The thought is, arise awake and stop not until the goal is reached. I repeat, arise awake and stop not until the goal is reached. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Shweta. Now, it's time to wish our birthday students. Today is the birthday of Anush Kumar and Ishika of 10th A and Yash Sharma of KGA. Let's wish them by singing the birthday song. So I request you all to sing with us and bless the students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Thank you all for showering your blessings. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it in today's assembly. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Happy Basant Panchami. Namaste.